Today I'm going to do activity 1 of lab number 10, the fundamentals of calorimetry. So first it says to measure 50 milliliters of water with a graduated cylinder and pour it into the inner foam cup of the calorimeter. This will be cold water. Let me grab my water. I'm back with my water and I'm going to measure 50 milliliters of this water. It's 50 milliliters. Like it says, I'm going to pour it into the inner foam cup. I'm going to grab my thermometer and stir until the temperature is a constant. Right now the reading is 24 degrees Celsius, so I'm going to record that as my initial temperature of the cold water. I'm going to take my thermometer out. I'm going to use a dry cloth to dry it off, and then I'm going to place it back into its protective case. Next it says to fill the third foam cup, which I have here, with the hottest tap water possible. So I have an electric kettle, which I've been heating up the water. I'm going to pour a 3/4 to the top of this cup. That looks about right. And I'm going to take the temperature to see that it's at least 80 degrees. See if it's gotten hot enough to reach 80 yet. If not, I'll put it back on the kettle. So far it is climbing, but it might not be hot enough. Right now it's at 50 degrees. To save time, I'm going to microwave it in the microwave for short bursts. Once we reach the 80 degree level, we're going to place a thermometer in the solution and of the water and stir until we read a constant reading. Let's see if we've gotten 80 degrees yet. It's much hotter. Climbing up to 60. Starting to slow down a bit. I'm going to heat it for about 20 more seconds. There we go, it's steaming, so that's a good sign. It's climbing pretty fast up to 70. We might need one more go in the microwave. See lots of steam going off. I'm going to give it about 10 more seconds in the microwave. This ought to do. approaching 80, and as soon as it does, I'm going to pour 50 milliliters into the 50 ml graduated cylinder. So we're right at 80 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and pour this until it reaches the 50 ml mark. I'm going to stir it to get a consistent temperature reading. It's reading at about 75. So what I'm going to do now is pour it into the cold water and start mixing and start taking the temperature of the water. I'm going to take it at 1 minute intervals until it reaches 10 minutes. I'm going to start my timer. And we'll take a look at the temperature after 1 minute. After about 1 minute, it's at 50 degrees. So I'll keep stirring for the next 9 minutes. See you later.